Hello there, this is a quick video. I wanted to show you how you can make content for your website, as much content as you want with our free content generator. It's powered by the GPT API. Okay, so we actually have two to choose from, two different content generators, maybe more soon. This one always writes 1,500 word articles. Both of them rewrite existing content. We found that does really well on AI detectors, and it still comes out unique content. So it's kind of like it's unique, but it's been guided by a person in a way. So this one rewrites articles into 1,500 word articles and lets you download them. This one will rewrite articles of any length, but it also has a Zapier option as well, so you can connect it to your website and kind of send them straight to your website. So I'm going to show you this one. All you do is you paste in the URLs. You can paste in as many as you want here in the list. I don't know what the maximum is, but yeah, you can paste in more than one. And what I'll do is I'll just go through these blocks. It's like a block-based free tool builder on our site that we've used to make these. Scrapes it, rewrites it into a new article with HTML on it. So it's all wrapped up in HTML, ready to go on your website, and then it will come up with a article title, meta description. It'll draw an image that you can use in your article. The images are DALL-E 2, so they're not great, but you might get one that's okay. And then it gives you the download option there. You can see it's still working its way through. It's already done this article actually. So the download is just plain text. You have to kind of save the image separately when it pops up, and then there you go. I did one on PPC, so almost got there. Can't quite spell. On any of these, you can click respin. It'll have another go, or you can edit it a little bit as well. So you can edit a bit of the content, and then it might come up with a slightly different headline suggestion if you want. Or just press respin, see if it comes up with something different. Whenever you respin, though, it does kind of redo the rest as well. Just the way the tool works. Download it there. So if you've done 5 articles at once, you'll be able to download all 5 of them. And then if you have set up Zapier, then you'll be able to send it there to them. And that's it. It's pretty easy to use. Slightly better picture. That's nice. You just download the picture there. If it is connected to Zapier, it just sends the content, so you're still kind of going to handle the picture separately for now. That's it. It's really easy to use. It's made using our free tool maker. If you're interested in making your own tools as well, either you might want a slightly different content writer that works in a different way depending on your purpose, or you may just want to make any other AI tool. We have a block-based builder here where you just kind of use a question, gets input, and then prompts speak to the AI, and obviously the prompts is what you use for rewriting the content. And there's the Zapier one and the download ones there as well. And we've got lots of other tools on the site as well. These are just the content writers, but there's other stuff you may be interested in as well. That was quick and easy, wasn't it? To rewrite the article. But as I say, you can have a few articles in there at a time, and then just keep coming back and adding more, and it'll go through them quite quickly for you. So show you the new content there. So it's got H2 headings, paragraphs, list items. It uses quite a range of formatting. There's H3 heading. There's another list. It tries to make it look kind of natural and what you would hope would rank high on Google. And also you can do like a search on Google, find kind of the URL that comes high up for that keyword, or one that comes up high but has lots of content. Just stick it in here, and then you've got an article on the same thing. We can scrape most websites. Can't scrape like Facebook and Twitter and stuff like that. Some of those sites have blocks on them. Most normal websites it's able to scrape. And then when you set up Zapier, you can set it up to go to WordPress, Shopify, Magento, whatever system you have. Lots of them have connections on Zapier, and you can choose like the fields and stuff like that, so you can set it to do. Make sure it uses the heading as like the proper heading and stuff like that. If you are setting up, you only have to set up Zapier once, and then you can just keep using this tool. Does use API credit, but we're giving everyone 20 free credits at the moment, which is kind of enough to write 2 short books, so it should last quite a while. That just covers the cost of anything that kind of we have to pay for, so API costs, or if you use anything else, if you're making a different tool, then like embeddings, a little cost for the image generation and stuff like that. That's pretty much it. So